every single day that they were growing up, that after work, we'd be down here until dark. We'd eat down here, they'd surf, they'd dive, whatever. They'd take the shower down there, and sometimes we wouldn't go home.
Go to eat lobster till like 4 in the morning and then go back to sleep and wake up at sunrise and be the first ones in the water surfing.
Because they already ate down here, bathed down here, we'd go home and they just go to sleep, and next morning we'd do that every single day.
All the way down for miles is just lava. So all that thing exploding in the water, turned to sand and rock. And the current brought all this here. And then it kept on and it's growing. Now when we go out there later on, you're going to see it's getting wider and longer every day.
Some guys will come down and they'll just stand there on the beach and just cry. Real gnarly grown men just crying, bawling their eyes out because they lost so much. Of course, we've gained a bunch. We gained a nice sandy beach. It's beautiful. We're real happy that we at least have that.
It was kind of hard. People had lost their homes and their places, which was sad and things like that. But in a different sense, it is a blessing. You don't very often see new created land before your eyes. So I took it as for me as a blessing.
Never had this amount of tourists in the past. Everybody wants to come see the newest beach in the world. They do come down here, definitely come and talk to us so we can let them know ocean conditions, because there's a lot of days that we do not want people to get in the water.
Just fortunate right now that the place that Koa guys grew up in, very fortunate he got to come back and work here and protect this place and help the people here.